Once a small fishing village in the Arabian Gulf, Dubai shares the spotlight with some of the most cosmopolitan cities in the world. One of the 7 Emirates that make up the United Arab Emirates, the city is home to more than 200 nationalities and offers an unforgettable experience to all visitors. Whether it is by the banks of the creek or at the top of Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, Dubai lives and breathes a sense of possibility and innovation. And with an unparalleled coastline, beautiful desert and magnificent cityscapes, memories are just waiting to be made here. Dubai is one of 7 Emirates that comprise the United Arab Emirates, UAE. The other 6 Emirates are Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah and Al Quwain. Specifically, Dubai is positioned on the northern coastline of the UAE, facing the Arabian Gulf. It is bordered by Abu Dhabi to the south, Sharjah to the northeast and the Sultanate of Oman to the southeast. Dubai is easy to reach from Africa, Asia and Europe, and within an 8-hour flight for 2/3 of the world's population, which has helped to turn the city into a global hub and a popular holiday destination. Whenever you plan to visit UAE, you will certainly not be stuck for things to do. Here must-see attractions in Dubai. Dubai Mall. Every visitor to Dubai should experience the world's most visited shopping destination, Dubai Mall. It includes 1,200 shops, the Dubai Aquarium, Discovery Centre, Fashion Dome, Sega Republic theme park, an ice rink, hotel, 22-screen cinema, 120 restaurants and cafes. It's a vacation destination in itself. Wild Wadi Waterpark. The award-winning Wild Wadi Waterpark is the perfect place to cool off. With 30 water rides, cool lazy rivers, water slides and even a fake thunderstorm, no one gets out without a soaking. Dubai Creek. Another great way to see old Dubai is on a boat cruise around the marina and creek. See the old port buildings, customs houses and defense structures. Stroll the boardwalk or take an evening cruise on an old dhow, wooden sailboat, which adds to the historic atmosphere. Some cruises offer a buffet dinner on board. The local Abra boats act as taxis across the creek and offer a cheap way to visit the souks. Dubai Fountains. The choreographed fountains on the 30-acre Burj Khalifa lake provide fascinating entertainment as the fountains shoot up to 500 feet in the air in time with familiar classical tunes. Burj Khalifa. Take a trip to the 124th floor of what is currently the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. The observation deck offers superb views across Dubai and makes a great photo op. If you don't like heights, the building is stunning to see from ground level, especially when lit up after dark. The Palm Trilogy. Viewed from the sky, the Palm Trilogy is a trio of man-made islands with some of Dubai's most expensive residential properties on them. The Palm Jebel Ali, Palm Dira and the original Palm Jumeirah were created to offer luxury hotels and an opulent lifestyle with marinas, beautiful beaches and sport amenities. The Palm Islands were hailed as the 8th wonder of the world. The palm fronds of the islands created plenty of beach and waterfront real estate to meet Dubai's growing demand. Gold Souk. Prepare to be wowed at the Gold Souk in Dubai, which exclusively sells gold and jewelry. It is easy to reach by Abra boat from Bur Dubai and the 300 retailers offer a dazzling display of Dubai's finest bling. Museum of the Future. One of the best tourist places in Dubai, Museum of the Future is a new age museum dedicated to the exploration of a possible future, showcasing how world will be in 2071. Admire the architectural expertise of Sean Killer in the exterior walls of the museums, engraved with lines of Arabic poetry. Desert Safari. Spend a day on a safari across the undulating desert sand dunes, one of the top cultural experiences that the Dubai deserts have to offer. Travel through the undulating desert sands during dusk, catching unobstructed views of the setting sun. If you have an inclination for adventure sports, you could also try your hand at sandboarding. Dubai Frame. Dubai Frame is an iconic frame-like structure that offers breathtaking views of new and old Dubai. View the many tourist places in Dubai like Burj Khalifa, Jumeirah Mosque while walking across the glass ceiling that joins the 2 sides of the frame. On the first floor of the frame lies the Old Dubai Gallery, which features multimedia displays on the city's history. Another attraction of Dubai is Global Village, Dubai Miracle Garden, Ski Dubai, Dubai Garden Glow, Ferrari World Day Trip from Dubai, Bollywood Parks Dubai. Get started on your Dubai holiday with these helpful tips. Welcome to Dubai.